Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to find your internet IP address on Windows. The first way, go to and click the internet sign. Press on Network and Internet Settings. Select Ethernet. Now click on Change Adapter Options and double click on this. Finally, click this Details and here's your IP address. The first way works with almost all type of Windows. Now, the second way. This way is easy but not works in all Windows. So, on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape shortcut and it opens Task Manager. Go to Performance tab and select Ethernet. And here's your IP address. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now.